In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a date format in Google Sheets on desktop. Let's start by getting everything set up just the way you want it, so you can organize your data clearly and consistently. Open your Google Sheet on your computer and take a moment to navigate around. Once you're familiar, find the cells that contain the dates you want to format. These could be a specific column, a row, or a selection scattered throughout your sheet. Click and drag or use the Shift key to select all the cells you want to include. Next, direct your attention to the top menu bar. This is your handy control center. Click on Format, which will provide you with a drop-down of options specifically designed to help you enhance the presentation of your data. In this drop-down, select Number. By choosing this, you're telling Google Sheets that you're interested in formatting a numerical value, which, in this case, is your date. Follow by selecting Date right from the list. This option immediately applies Google Sheets' default date format across your selected cells, ensuring all dates appear uniform. This default is typically month, day, year in most regions, but it may slightly vary depending on your locale. However, if you find that the default date format isn't quite meeting your needs or preferences, don't worry. Google Sheets offers a simple but effective way to customize this. Locate the More Formats option, then proceed to More Date and Time Formats. This area is where you'll find a selection of styles that allow you to further tailor the look of your data. You might prefer the day in a numerical format, followed by the month spelled out, or even an international format like year, month, day. Take a moment to explore these options. Hover over them to get a preview, so you select the one that best suits your data presentation goals. Once you've found the perfect style for your document, simply click Apply. This command cements your choices and updates the selected cells instantly. As you look at your sheet, you'll see how much more readable and professional your data appears. This formatting will help anyone reviewing the data understand it with ease, minimizing confusion that can occur with varied date presentations. And that's all it takes to apply a date format in Google Sheets on your desktop. Now you're equipped to make your spreadsheets not only functional, but visually appealing, enhancing communication and clarity for anyone who views them. Thanks for tuning in, and happy formatting!